M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Dresden and to draw on tradition and make it new and modern. So my great-grandmother was a quilter. This is a Dresden from her. And these behind me are ones that I have drawn on her tradition and made modern. So first let me show you how to make the Dresden, and then I'll show you ways to change it up so that you can create your own and make it modern. And I will put links to patterns that I've created in the show notes below. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want is a Dresden ruler. I use the Dresden Plate template from Fast to Cut Templates. It looks like this. All right, and then you're going to need a strip of fabric. You can do your Dresden like this. This will give you a skinnier Dresden that looks like this. Or you can go this way and you'll end up with a fatter Dresden that looks like this. So we're just going to line it up. I'm going to do a fat one here because I have a plan. And you're going to cut it. And you can flip the ruler the other way. Just cut it. You just continue down your strip that way. So you're going to take your blade, you're going to fold it in half. And I always start at the open edge. And you're going to sew a 1/4 inch along here. So once you get that sewn, it looks like this. And then I press this. I press that, and I'm going to trim right along here. The fold edge is the one I trim, just so I get rid of some of that bulk. So I get rid of some of the bulk, and then I'm just going to turn it. And then I use a chopstick. Right now I'm using the tip of my scissors. And I push out that point. I open my seam in here and line up that open seam with my fold mark. Here's my fold, my seam line up, and then I press that. Okay? And that will give you your Dresden plate. So some fun things you can do is you can make a larger Dresden and then make smaller ones to go on top. For your center, you just put a circle, and I have a tutorial on how to do these perfect circles, and I will put a link to that so you can learn how to do that. You can sew strips together and then cut your blade out of strips, and you can make a scrappy Dresden and put a center in that. Or you can take your blade and sew both sides. Then you'll trim like you did before on either side on the fold side, and you'll end up with a blade that looks like this. The fun thing about this is your center is already finished, and it gives you this star-like effect. And if you'd like, you can reverse your sets of blades and snake it like a drunkard's path. You can do a 1/4 of a Dresden in your corner if you'd like. I've done that with these to have the blooms coming out the top. And instead of a solid background, you can do a scrappy background. And I'll show you can watch my modern crumb quilt tutorial to show you how to do that. Or a scallop Dresden. And I have a tutorial to show how to make those, and I'll put a link in the description notes below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.